My name is Roshan Kumar Singh, and in this video, we are going to talk about two fundamental aspects love and respect, which together form a strong foundation in every human life. But before we dive into that, let's take a moment to understand something even more fundamental that is, universal human values. These values, such as trust, empathy, care, honesty, and cooperation, are common across all cultures, societies, and generations. They form the base of human relationships and the progress of society. And only when we truly live by these values can we genuinely understand what is meaning to give love and show respect. So, in this video, we'll explore a brief overview of universal human values, the true importance of love and respect, and how balancing both can bring harmony to our personal and professional lives. So let's begin this meaningful conversation. So first of all, in universal human values, we talk universal human values are the core principle and qualities that are naturally accepted and appreciated by all human beings, regardless of culture, religion, or background. These values guided our behavior, help us build meaningful relationships, and create a harmonious society. Uh, So let's see example love, respect, compassion, integrity, and non-violence. The main love and respect are the bedrock of peaceful coexistence. So let's understand love. So love is one of the most powerful human emotion, but beyond just a feeling, it is a conscious choice and action. It's about genuinely caring for someone's well-being without accepting expecting anything in return. True love is rooted in acceptance, selflessness, support, connections. Acceptance. Embarrassing people for who they are. Selflessness. Thinking beyond your own needs. Support. Being there during both good and difficult times. Connections. Creating a bond that brings trust, peace, and emotion safely. So, love isn't just limited to romantic relationships, it exists in families, friendships, communities, and even in how we treat strangers. When we practice love, we create understanding, reduce conflict, and bring people closer. But there are more form of love that's often ignored, and that is self-love. Before we can truly love others, we must first understand how to love and value ourselves. So, understanding self-love is one of the foundation of emotional well-being. It means recognizing your own worth, treating yourself with kindness, and not being overly critical of your flaws. Self love is not selflessness, it's self awareness. It's about creating a healthy relationship with yourself so you don't rely on others for validation or happiness. So let's talk about key aspects of self love include self respect, self care, self acceptance, growth mindset. In self respect, setting healthy boundaries and standing up for yourself. In self care, taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. Self self acceptance, acknowledging your strength, weaknesses without judgment. Growth mindset, believing you can learn, improve, and evolve over time. When we practice self love, we become more confident, emotionally balanced, and capable of loving others genuinely. Insecurity and neediness. In short, self love empowers us to lead a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Now, let's see understanding respect. Respect is the recognition of the inherent worth and dignity of every individual, including ourselves. It's not just about being polite or formal, it's about how we treat people in our thoughts, words, and actions. Respect involves listening actively, listening actively, valuing difference, treating equally, non judgment. In listening actively, giving others the space to express themselves without interruption, valuing differences, accepting that others may think, feel, or live differently than we do, treating equally, whether someone is older, younger, more experienced, or not. Everyone deserves basic respect, non judgment, avoiding assumptions or labels based on appearance, background, or status. When we give respect, we build trust, reduce conflict, and create a safe environment where healthy relationships can grow, whether in families, friendships, workplace, or societies. And just like love, respect also start with the self. Self-respect means not settling for less than you deserve, knowing your values and standing by them. Now see types of respect. So respect can be expressed in different ways depending on the context and the relationships. Understanding the types of respect help us build better connections both personally and professionally. Here are some key types, which are self-respect, mutual respect, respect for others. Okay. So, self respect, the foundation of all respect, it means valuing yourself, maintaining your dignity, and not comparing your principles just please others. Mutual respect. This is this is the respect shared between two individuals where both people value each other's thoughts, boundaries, and presence equally. It creates balance and fairness in relationships. And last, respect for others regardless of age, gender status, or background. Treating other with basic human dignity. This includes being polite, listening without judgment, and appreciating diversity. And now that we have understood the core value of love, respect, and how they rooted in universal human values, let's conclude with the final thought. Love and respect are not just emotions, they are choices we make every day. When we choose love, we create connections. When we choose respect, we create understanding. Together, they form the foundation of compassionate and united society. In a world full of differences, these values help us rise above division and live in harmony. To build a better future, we must start by treating everyone person with kind and dignity. Love and respect aren't just value to talk about. They are values to live by. Thank you.